What's going on YouTube? Dio aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Apple Airpods keychain case made by Bjorna. Now you can get this on Amazon.com and it's gonna run you $10.99. Alright, so let's open this up real quick. See what we get. All right, so we get what, 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces. We get the silicone case for the charger, for the AirPods. This goes on your watch, and the AirPods can go in there. And this is for your AirPods also, so you won't lose them. All right, and you get the keychain joint. So they come in a couple different colors. You can get them in black, blue, pink, purple, red, dark blue, and white. And let's take a look at this real quick. This is all silicone. You see you got the cutouts for the bottom. You got the AirPods design on there. AirPods design on the back also. Alright, so not really much to it. Now this is a 5-in-1 durable silicone case. You get a case for your ear hooks, watch band holder, anti-loss strap, and the carrying case. Now, this is made from high-quality TPU silicone material, and it's anti-scratch, anti-slip, and shock resistant. So let's try this out real quick. Take these AirPods out of the case, and this just slides in there simply like that. And you just mold it over a little bit, get it to fit the way that you want it to. Let's get it in there. Alright, so that's how you get that on there. And then you would put your hook on there with your keys or whatever. So therefore, you're safe like that. Now, if you wanted to keep these in there so you wouldn't lose them, you simply put these little joints on there, put them in your ear, and then you ain't got to worry about them dropping out and actually losing them. And you can go a little bit further. Let me see if these are marked. I don't think they are. So we're gonna have to wing it. I think that one goes on this one. Maybe I was wrong. Could have gone like that. Alright, so we got that one on, and then this one going like that. You just gotta work it around there to get it to fit the way it's supposed to fit on there. Bang, something like that. So this is what you got. Now if you got the watch, you just slide this onto your watch band, and then you can put the 2 AirPods in the holes like that and keep it on your watch band so you wouldn't lose that. So it's a real quick video, man. I wasn't gonna keep y'all long. You see your charging port right there, so you got still charge it with no problem. Still open your case, no problem. So this is a cool little thing that I just happened to see on the net on Amazon, so I figured I'd grab one of these and bring it to the channel. I don't know how much I would actually use this is probably more just for the case rather than any other accessories. I don't even have an Apple Watch, so I wouldn't use that. Probably wouldn't use these on the Airs, and I don't know about this. But not to say that it's not, you know, good to have, but I just don't know how much I would actually use that. But it's DO, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you now follow me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.